Alrighty, YouTube, you all have been waiting. This is my 1 month review of the mighty Vortex Lite, sold only at Magic Wand. Well, the machine has performed flawlessly for this last month. Here's the things that I've absolutely loved about this machine. Number one is this vacuum. Dry times are phenomenal. It compares back to when we had gas truck mounts. Absolutely phenomenal. Customers absolutely love this machine. They love how quiet it is. They love the fact that it is able to be brought into the home if they want the doors closed. Right now, it's 102 degrees outside. Able to take the machine in the house, keep the air conditioning in. In the winter, don't have to worry about the cold being let in or having to set up a hive door. Just set it up in the kitchen. Love it. Just love the versatility of it. The wheels on the back make it able to be loaded and unloaded in a second. I mean, taking all the stress out of loading and unloading the machine out of the equation. Another thing I love about this machine, and I mean, I can't say enough about it, and something I missed from my gas days, is actual pressure at the tip being able to be maintained. This pump that John LaBarbera at Mighty put in this tank, in this machine, sorry, not tank, but in the machine, absolutely performs like a power washer style pump that's on a gas machine. I mean, it really does. It gives you tremendous tip pressure. On a spinner, it spins that thing up just like I've used any other machine at 800 PSI. It really does do that type of performance. Another thing that I want to mention is the pump out. Not a single hiccup with the pump out. I mean, this is where really the rubber meets the road. If you're going to have a machine that fills and dumps, you want it to fill and dump without stopping, without issue. This does it, and I mean, really does it. Not had a single problem with it filling or dumping as it should. Not a single hiccup there. Another thing that I like is I really do like these cuff links. They work really, really well. A quick maintenance note. If you're having your cuff link unscrew on you on the job, you need to make sure to lubricate it. Take a little WD-40, squirt it right there in that little groove like that. Work it around so you get it nice and free, nice and free. Now you take your rag, you wipe off the excess WD-40 so you're not drifting all over the place. Really doesn't take a lot of brains to do it, Another maintenance item is the filters in the tank periodically. Now we haven't had to do it very much, and they've never been clogged. I want to make that note. Never been clogged. Never not worked. Every once in a while, take the tank, go ahead and rinse it out, wash out the tank, and while you're doing that, remove the 2 filters in the bottom of this tank, rinse them out under a sink or with the garden hose and put them back in. You'll not have any issues. I know I haven't, had a single problem with it. As far as your quick connects, there's a little maintenance item there. Go ahead and spray them with some WD-40. It'll help you keep those nice and happy for you. This is an endorsement for WD-40. It's just right in front of me. Any penetrating lubricant will work. 3-in-1 machine oil will work. One quick thing that I want to make before I close out. I want to take this opportunity to thank both Taff and Dee and the rest of the support team that my company has over at Magic Wand. They're not only there for me, they're there for my colleagues in this industry, the other guys, and they're really there for the guys starting out. If you're thinking about purchasing from a company, I have this to say as a 20-year veteran in the industry. I regret not doing business sooner with Magic Wand. I really do. I've done business with some of the other companies, which I'm not going to mention. They're good companies, but they really don't have my interest in mind. When I call with a question, their staff is able to answer the question based on their products instantly. And I mean instantly. It's not a re-phone call. It's not a guess based on the label. They actually know what they're doing. They know what they're talking about. They've been well educated. And as a cleaner, you might know your chemistry, you might know your IICRC standards, but it's nice to know that the people on the other end of the phone know it as well. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. If you need to get a hold of me, feel free to leave a message in the comment section. I'll answer it right away. If you Need to get a hold of Magic Wand? There's a link in the description below. You guys have a great day, and I wish you the most successful business that you can have.